The Gaza Strip is a small piece of land along the Mediterranean coast, about 41 kilometers long. Before 1948, Palestinians lived here under British control. After Israel declared independence in 1948, hundreds of thousands of Palestinians fled or were expelled, many settling in Jewett. This period is known as the Nakba, or catastrophe, and it marked the beginning of Gaza's long struggle with displacement, poverty, and conflict. In 1967, during the Six-Day War, Israel occupied Gaza along with the West Bank and East Jerusalem. Over the decades, Gaza has faced multiple conflicts: wars in 2008 to 2009, 2012, 2014, and recent escalations. The area is controlled by Hamas, an Islamist political and military group, which Israel and some other countries consider a terrorist organization. The power struggle between Israel and Hamas has led to repeated violence and destruction, making life extremely difficult for civilians. Gaza is home to over 2 million people in a very small area, making it one of the most densely populated places on Earth. The blockade by Israel and Egypt limits the movement of people, goods, and resources. Basic necessities like electricity, clean water, and medical supplies are often in short supply. Schools and hospitals struggle to operate, and unemployment rates are extremely high. Despite this, the people of Gaza show remarkable resilience and community spirit. Gaza regularly draws international attention. Organizations like the UN provide humanitarian aid, but political tensions often prevent long-term solutions. Peace talks have failed repeatedly, and the cycle of violence continues. The world watches closely during escalations, but millions of Gazans continue to live in uncertainty and fear. Despite the challenges, there are efforts for reconstruction, education, and peacebuilding. Many non-governmental organizations and local communities work tirelessly to improve life in Gaza. Understanding their story is crucial to seeing the human side of this conflict. Beyond the news headline, Gaza's story is one of struggle, resilience, and hope amidst ongoing conflict. By learning about its history and challenges, we can better understand why peace is so difficult but so necessary. Thanks for watching.